Net claims of non-residents on India increased $12.1 billion to $379.7 billion in the June quarter on account of higher rise in foreign-owned financial assets, according to RBI data released on Thursday. Increase in reserve assets at $16.6 billion was the largest contributor to the rise in Indian residents' foreign assets during the April to June period, followed by direct investment, loans and trade credit, as per the data on India's international investment position for June end. The rise in net claims of non-residents during the quarter was on account of higher rise in foreign-owned financial assets in India, $36.2 billion, when compared with Indian residents' overseas financial assets, $24.1 billion, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, said. Inward portfolio investment, $15 billion, and foreign direct investment, $8.9 billion, together accounted for two-thirds of the rise in foreign liabilities of Indian residents, it added. As per the data, reserve assets accounted for 64.2% of India's international financial assets at the end of the June quarter. Variation in the exchange rate of rupee vis-à-vis other currencies impacted the change in liabilities when valued in the US dollar terms, the RBI data said. The RBI further said the ratio of India's international assets to international liabilities moderated to 70.9% in June from 71.1% a quarter earlier and 71.5% a year ago. Debt and non-debt liabilities accounted for nearly equal share in total external liabilities during the quarter.